Copilot in Power BI is a new AI powered feature that helps user create and analyze report more quickly and easily. Copilot uses natural language processing, that is NLP, to understand your request and generate reports, charts, and insight that are relevant to your needs. For example, you can type questions like show sales trend over last 6 months and it will generate visual or report automatically. It is used for report generation also. Copilot can generate full reports or dashboard based on your description. For example, creating a report showing customer churn by reason. It will create the report or dashboard. Thank you.